In today's video, we will talk about how to sell a car to Carmax. This video will show you different ways to do so, so make sure you watch it until the end. First, get an estimated value of your car. Go to a website like www.icar.com and enter your car details. The link is in the description. This website will give you an idea of how much your car is worth. This information will help you understand what offer you can make and determine if the one you get at Carmax is too low or just right. You have two options for getting offers from Carmax: online or in person. For an online offer, you can sell your car to Carmax without having to go there in person. All you need to do is accurately describe your car without leaving any details out. Based on the information you provide, they will make you an offer. If you prefer an in-person offer, you can visit a Carmax shop near your location with your car. Schedule an appointment for your car to be appraised, and within 30 minutes to an hour, you will receive an offer. When you are ready to sell the car, if you are happy with the price, provide Carmax with the car and everything that comes with it, such as keys, registration, and title. You will have successfully sold your car and get your money's worth. So, that's how you sell your car at Carmax. It is that easy. Thanks for watching.